Hey G-Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool machine right here, and basically what this is an ice maker machine. So for the one that we got here is from a brand called Free Village. And supposedly inside they have like a 24 piece ice cube inside, and it only takes around like 15 to 20 minutes to actually produce that ice cube out. But this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what it actually looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So the first thing inside right here, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And right underneath that, we do have the actual ice maker machine. So let's take it out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So they have a wrapper on here, so take it off the wrapper first. So once you guys take off the wrapper, this is what the product looks like. So we do have the brand logo on top. We have a few buttons on here. So we have a timer button, a on and off button, a plus and minus button, and also the space screen in the middle. And inside right here is probably where you're gonna open it up to get the ice cube and everything. And there's a lot of other compartments on here as well, but it is kind of hard for me to actually carry it. So I'm gonna put this down on the table to show you guys what the product looks like, and then we'll test it out to show you guys how it works. Alright, so here is basically what the product looks like when you guys put it onto a table. So currently I have the cable plugged in, and this is what the screen looks like. So I show you guys the temperature setting inside, and show you guys whether or not it's off or on, and tell you guys to add some water in because there's no water inside right now. So I'm actually open it inside to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So here is the first compartment. If you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So here are the 24 cubes that I talked about earlier. So once you guys put water inside, it will dispense it out right here. And then once it finishes creating ice, it will come out right here. And if you see inside right here, they probably got a little basket and a little shovel. So that way you can scoop up the ice really easily. But let's take that out first. So once you guys take it out, right here we do have the basket, and right here we do have the shovel. So you use the shovel to like scoop up all the ice if you guys want to. And then here is basically what the inside looks like. So let's put this back inside. Alright, and then we see this part right here is the automatic fall option. So that way when the ice comes down, it'll push it down like that and slide it off. So that is the first section right here. If you guys close it back up, here is the next section. So once you guys open up, this part right here is where you probably want to fill in the water so that way you can produce the ice. So that is the other compartment. Let me actually turn around to show you guys what the back part looks like. Alright, so when you turn around to the back, this is what the back part looks like. So I'm assuming the back part right here is like the cooling fan or refrigerant inside that can help you guys produce the ice. And in the bottom right here, we do have the cable where you plug in to actually activate it. And also another thing is that on the bottom, they do have like the non-slip material. So once you guys put it on the table, it won't move around. And then on the side, they do provide guys some like safety tips and warning labels on here. So that way you can follow all the rules correctly. And one thing I forgot to mention is for the back part right here, this is where the draining hole is. So once you guys are done using it, if you have any water that you don't want to drain out from the product, you guys can open this up. And when you guys open it, you probably want to put it near like a sink or something. But that is everything that's on the product. Let me just put some water inside and then show you guys how it works. Alright, so I do have a bowl of water right here. Let me just pour the water inside. Alright, so that should be a good amount because we're just testing it out first. So when you guys are ready to use it, you guys want to turn it on. And then this is what you guys see on here. So if you guys want to set like a timer option, or if you guys want to change different settings on here, you guys can do that as well. But once you guys activate the product, all you need to do is just wait around like 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Then it should produce some of the ice cubes on here. Alright, so you see it's starting to work already. If you guys open it up, so let's do its own thing and then come back and check on it around like 15 minutes or so. Alright, so see when you guys are using the product, it shows you guys how many minutes left. So currently there's like 5 minutes left in order for you guys to get like the 24 ice cube. And earlier show you guys the temperature that's on here, which is around like 80 degrees. But if you guys open it up, you kind of see like the ice cube starting to form up a little bit already. But we'll let it finish first and then come back and check on it. So pretty much what's happening right now is creating the ice cube. You can see how it falls down. So just like what they mentioned earlier, it should take roughly around 15 minutes to 20 minutes for it to create each ice cube. So we'll let that keep running and then we'll come back and check on it later on. So once it stops filling ice inside, it'll pop on this little icon or logo right here. You can see it showing that that's full. But when you guys open the inside, you guys see all the ice that's inside. And once you guys kind of move it, it starts again. Because there's some kind of sensor that's on here that kind of stops it from filling more ice. But you can see the product definitely does work. Alright, so right here we have the product. So what you're going to do to drain out the water is by turning this knob right here. You're going to take this part out. And that is how you guys drain out the water once you guys finish using it. Once you guys are done, you guys can put this part back in and then screw it back on. Alright, so it's done. So I can close it back up. Make sure it goes all the way in. And you want to lock this part back in as well. And it's all set. Alright, welcome back guys. So that's a quick test run. Definitely actually does work and she works quite well. So obviously in order for you guys to get the best result on here, the longer you guys leave it in, the better it is. But you see inside they do provide guys a little basket and the ice scooper, which is really convenient. So that way you can scoop out the ice really easily. But the way how they designed the product is actually pretty cool. It allows you guys to use it at home, in the office, or even if you guys want to use it for your bar, you guys can use it anywhere you want to because it's so compact and portable. But that is everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality ice maker machine that has the same design that's on here. That definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.